In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add audio to Spotify. We will walk through the exact clicks so your own files show up right inside Spotify, ready to play like any other track. First, open the Spotify desktop application. Make sure you are on a computer, not the mobile app, since these options only appear on desktop. When it opens, you should see the familiar main window with Home, Search, and your library on the left, and your playlists listed underneath. If Spotify asks you to log in, do that first so your settings can be saved to your account. Once Spotify is open, move to the very top right corner of the window. Click on your profile picture there, the small circle that shows your account image or initials. A menu will drop down under it. From that menu, click on Settings. When you do that, the main part of the screen changes to a long list of options, starting with things like account, playback, and maybe audio quality. Now scroll down through this settings page until you find the section labeled Library. Use your mouse wheel or the scroll bar on the right side until you see the word Library in bold. You may pass sections like Display or Social on the way. Once you see Library, slow down so you do not scroll past it, because the option we need is inside this area. In the Library section, look for the line that says Show Local Files. Next to it, you will see a small switch. Toggle that switch to turn it on. When it is on, the switch usually changes color and a few new options appear right below it. This setting tells Spotify to look at audio files stored directly on your computer and treat them as part of your library, but they stay on your drive and are not uploaded anywhere. With that enabled, click the button that says Add a Source. A standard file browser window pops up from your operating system. Here, navigate to the specific folder on your computer where your music files are stored. Spotify supports formats like MP3, MP4, and M4A in this feature. Click once on the folder that contains those files, then click the Select Folder or Open button in that window. Spotify now scans that folder and reads the audio files, but it does not move or copy them. So if you later delete the folder, the tracks will disappear from Spotify. After that, look back to the left side of the Spotify window. Go to your library in the left menu and click it. This switches the main view to your saved content. A new playlist section named Local Files will appear here, usually near the top of your playlists. Click on Local Files and you should see a list of the tracks from the folder you just added, complete with titles and durations. You can now play them, add them to playlists, and mix them with streaming tracks. You have now added your own local audio files into Spotify and can play them from the new Local Files section. If this helped you get your personal tracks into Spotify, a quick thumbs up really helps others find it, and you can subscribe if you want more tips like this.